How to contact the Coinbase support. Sometimes our Coinbase account may have issues with login, transactions, or verifications. So, if we do not contact the support correctly, our problem can take longer to solve. So, let's just reach Coinbase support step by step. So, we can just go over and open up Coinbase website directly, or you can even download the application. We can directly head over to Coinbase support via the website as well. Go to help.coinbase.com directly, and then you can just go over and scroll to the contact us or submit a request section there and ask them to solve your issue. So here we have this option for ask anything. We can tap on that option. And once we tap on that option, we can just go over and sign in. If not signed in, you need to have be signed in for that. And there you go. For now, I'm not signing in, but you can sign in for more, you know, to select more of your issues. So you can just go and do so and provide in a clear description of your issue there. But you will directly find this kind of piece here. So if you have any kind of issue, you can select up your issue. For example, if you're having problem with your frozen account, so you can tap on freeze account for that and select up your issue, and you can just go over and start up a new chat, and there you need to fill in the required details and tap on submit your request, and the Coinbase support will respond to your email. You can just go over and choose that method available there, and that they should probably reach out for you and help you out. Or what you can do is you can just go over and even look out for the help center for your country. If there is any kind of phone support available, you can just go over and directly call them as well. Their customer service. That is also possible, and always use a registered email. Provide a transaction ID if relevant, and be very clear and concise to get faster support and avoid phishing links claiming to be Coinbase. And that's it. So that's how we contact Coinbase support very safely and effectively. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.